My name's Cassidy and I'm the Education and Recruitment Coordinator here at Sunlights. Today, I will be filming our Tips and Tricks Tuesday to introduce our newest addition to our Sunlight styling line, Coast. I feel like Coast is super versatile, so I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to style my own hair with Coast. As you can see, I have clean hair. I have no product in it. I washed it this morning with no product with the intention of filming this video today. Coast is a sea salt spray. It is incredibly versatile. There's a million ways to use it, but I'm going to show you my personal favorite way to use Coast on my fine, straight hair. We're gonna start by clicking it open. So we have a new spray nozzle here with this really incredible lock system on it. So we're gonna push it all the way to one side to get it open. I am going to separate my hair out. I'm just gonna part it and I'm gonna spray a little bit of Coast right on the scalp. This is gonna be a really great way to help add volume to the hair on dry hair. And then I'm gonna make sure to get in my crown. Next, I'm gonna grab a metal brush. Typically, I would be using our Sunlight's Magic Brush, but with my hair and it being dry, I think we need the metal brush for this one. And I'm gonna grab my blow dryer, and I'm gonna sit right here and I'm going to style my hair for you all to show you how to get this same look with the same product at home. Making sure to focus really on the root area where I sprayed that Coast in. Making sure to give myself some really good volume. I can already feel the grip in my hair, which is great because that means it's going to last all day. Then I'm going to push the hair over to the side this way. And I'm just going to over-direct the hair, so be careful not to burn yourself. This over-direction is going to help add some volume. I'll do the same thing on the other side to help dry that product in. And do the same thing in the crown. I'm going to brush it all forward. So it's very evident now that Coast works and I have some really great volume in my hair. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it and shape it out a little bit. Wow. This is amazing. I brought one other product today to show you guys for some at-home styling tips, and that's gonna be Shape. Our Shape is easily one of my personal favorite products. As you can see, it is well loved. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger here, about the size of a pea. I'm gonna rub it through in my hand. As you can see, it's very tacky. Look, I'm just gonna take it in the hair and rub it in right at the scalp for some extra volume. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, so we do love some big hair down here. I'm gonna take whatever's left on my hands to lay down any flyaways and just kind of shape that all into place. Shape, get it? And look at that. So this is just the perfect way to style your hair at home using the Coast Sea Salt Spray. Come back next week for more tips and tricks and at-home styling tips. Bye.